So it's now painted and I'm reasonably happy with the finish. The strip LEDs are on, but there's a little bit more work to do with those. And the jigsaw pieces are out, obviously, those they fall out. And I've just taken 15 minutes to make this little stand, because it's an awkward shape if you're trying to work from underneath, especially with all the gubbins sticking out. I wanted to put everything back together because you just never know what clashes there are. And in fact, although there seems to be plenty of room inside for the circuit board, which is not yet in fact it's really tight because the shape is awkward and the bottom board obviously protrudes 12 millimeters into the inside. So the circuit board is right on the two loudspeakers that you can see there. So what I'm going to do now is just wire up, there's quite a lot of additional wiring you can't see there to be done in the inside on all the various switches. Bring out the plugs, put in the circuit board and test it to make sure everything is still working, because there's had a lot of knocking around. And then the hard bit starts with all the software programming for all the audio and the games and everything else. I've written some code, but there's still a lot more to do. But it'll be great when this is together and I can actually program it in situ with everything working. So just fitting everything in. As you can see, there's not much room. The yellow cable won't be there, that's the programming cable for the computer. The only bit of space left is here, and the battery drops into that space. So there's hardly any space left. The shining thing there is the inside compartment for when the orange door is open. And just got to whip it out and complete the wiring now, and then onto coding. So I think the projects are probably about 80% through at this stage, with a lot of programming to be done.